guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making a chicken plucker because in a couple weeks now we're going to be butchering the turkeys, and got 2 of them, so just something to help out the process. The materials that you're going to need are a 4-inch PVC cap, 3 of these plumber ties, whatever they're called, right, 3/8 inch bolt with 2 or 3 nuts and 1 lock washer. Couldn't find a normal washer at the Rural King that I was at, so I didn't get one, but you're gonna want a bolt that has, if you go like this and have the end of the bolt lined up with the top, you're gonna at least want 2 or 3 inches right there. And along with that, bought 6 of these rubber straps, these rubber bungee cords, and you're gonna at least want them at 22 inches so you can cut them in half like that, so you get 2. The reason you want to use rubber is because the rubber grips the feathers and pulls them off. So I had 2 of these sizes, and then since they didn't have any more, I just bought 3 of these longer ones. So, alright, so first what we're going to do is just take these off. All of the straps. Take these off all of the straps. So I got all the S-hooks off of my bungee cords, so I'm just going to put those aside. Okay, so I think I have where the center is, so I'm going to take an ice pick, or a tap, whatever you have, and a hammer, and mark it so I can get my drill bit in there. Now, I'm going to want at least 3/8 inch drill bit and drill a hole right through. Alright, so we drilled this puppy out. Now fit your hook in there, or not your hook, your bolt. Punch that bad boy in. It's about center. So, lock washer in. First bolt. That puppy's safe and sound. That off and see. Alright, so now that we got this puppy in place, we're going to go ahead and start cutting our bungees. So it's a 22 inch strap, or no, it's an 18 inch strap. Yep, both 18 inches. So never mind, apparently it's more like 15-ish. But anyway, I'm going to take these and cut them in half. Directly in half. There's two. I'm going to do that with the rest of them. Alright, so we cut all these straps, and now we have our guy cap thing. And so next part is sticking the straps in like this. So first you're going to want to create this cap into 6 parts. So that, and that. 6 parts, then mark them all like that. And then going to want to set it down and take one of your straps and mark it and punch holes, and then drill it out, drill those 2 holes out with drill bits, and then take another side, mark it, punch them, and punch the other one, and drill them out. Okay, so 2 holes are drilled. I'm going to grab a file, start filing them out so they're nice and smooth. Okay, so keep filing until you can easily fit one of your straps through there, and then just going to clean up the burrs on the outside. Now all you're going to do is take your strap, put it through the hole on the inside, and pull it out. Now, this isn't going to come out because when this is spinning, it's going to be forced out like this. And this is never going to pull out because on the straps you have the thick side right here, which is good. But then you have those 2 parts. Now you're just going to keep repeating that on each line that you have created till you get back to here, and then you'll be done. Alright guys, so we have all of our things in like that. I just took the bolt out so it was easier to get the straps in. So I'm just going to put this back on and see how it works in the drill. Alright guys, it was a little tricky, but I finally managed to get the bolt back on. I would recommend taking the bolt out before you start putting these straps in, just because it makes it easier. It's definitely worth it. But now we're going to test it in this cordless drill just to see how it works, and I'm gonna start it up. I do have to say that works pretty good.